Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to turn on message requests on Instagram. I was checking my Instagram messages the other day and realized I wasn't getting any requests from people I didn't follow, which can be great for privacy, but not so great if you're trying to connect or grow your account. So I went ahead and turned on message requests back on. Let me start by opening Instagram, tap my profile in the bottom right corner, then hit the three-line menu at the top to open settings and activity. From there, I scroll all the way down to how others can interact with you and tap on messages and story replies. Inside that section, there's an option called message requests. When I open it, I saw the settings was on don't receive requests, so I'll switch it to message requests instead. And just like that, Instagram started allowing messages from people I don't follow to land in my requests folder. It's a small setting, but it really changes how open your account feels, kind of like deciding whether your DMs are private or open for conversation. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.